Here I was checking the sump pump, make sure that it's at level and draining, which it looks like it is. But the transducer here has come off its seal. This wasn't even sanded and sealed. So I'm going to have to strip this down, clean it up with some alcohol, sand it, get it roughed up, get some GE silicone 1 instead of this garbage here, lightly sand the base here, and re-secure this down. So anyway, so another project. Alright, so this bilge pump here, the automatic rule, is getting 14.2 volts to the dark brown line, which is the automatic side coming in. So it's receiving power, but it is not spinning up automatically. The manual side pump control, which is the white stripe line, is receiving power when I switch on the manual, and the pump is operational. So the float mechanism internally that spins it up every 2.5 minutes to detect for resistance is non-operational. So we're replacing this bilge pump. Alright, I've disconnected this to attempt to see if I can secure this support here. Alright, by the way, it's a beautiful day here in Sanibel. And we're back on your boat this morning, now in the engine compartment. And your bilge is looking great. It's working very well. Cleaned everything out. We have this bracket down here. Hopefully you can see it. You're looking at it. Where this is going to mount. This is your engine lift. And your forward bilge pump, which is way down here, is now functioning as it is expected as well. So, anyways, we're going to wrap this up, and I'm going to head back to Palmetto. Hope you guys are doing well. Have a great day. I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye. Alright, our engine support bracket is reconnected and seems to be functioning perfectly. Staying firm on the wall there. Alright, we're done. So here is your area next to the head where the shower sump is, and your transducer I'm about to tighten back up and secure. I took the baby oil that you had in the compartment there, and now this has been reseated. It's set up. Seems to be holding fluid just perfectly as it should, and I'm going to tighten up the screws, and we will have our transducer should be responding now. Yes, the transducer is responding once again. Alright, I've been watching the bilge area here, and its drip rate is about 21 seconds apart of the drip, which is coming from the shaft seal here, and it's dripping actually on top of the bracket or the hose clamps down below. It's normal for this to drip. It is designed to, but the drip rate should be more on the lines of about maybe once every minute when the engine's not running. It should be could be once every 15 seconds when it is running, because there's pressure running through this hose here from the engine, actually making sure that water is being fed into the shaft to keep it cool while it's spinning and running. But there's a packing gland inside of here, or this is the packing gland, and we're inside, and we're going to tighten up this nut. So I've got to loosen this nut, snug this one down. We only need to do about 1/4 of a turn, so we're going to do that now. So in this process we use 2 wrenches. I've got a really cool rigid offset wrench, which is perfect for this job. Tighten on the backing nut, and the large nut I just have a typical monkey wrench or pipe wrench here. So I'm just going to loosen that up now. Now that we have the nut loosened up, this is a backing nut. I'm just going to move it away. And this is your packing gland nut. And I'm going to take my offset wrench, and we are going to tighten that up just a little bit. Alright, the packing gland has been adjusted about 1/4 of a turn, and it is not seen it drip yet. So that's kind of what I wanted to see here at the dock, where it was minimal to none. And it will, as we run it, it will set in a little bit as well, and then we'll monitor it after we get a good run in the boat. Alright. You guys have a great day. I look forward to seeing you soon. I also wanted to comment that the gentleman that is at the main gate, Steve, he is a super personality. He has got, he's just a nice guy. So he's doing his job very well, checking everybody, and I think he's just perfect for the role. It seems kind of odd the association would have them there, but they obviously had some issues with people coming in, especially with all this seasonal traffic, or maybe even had something to do with spring breakers and people trying to get in the pool or what have you. Who knows? Anyways, just want to let you know that he was very professional, had a fantastic attitude towards people, lively, and anyways, we had no problems with Steve at all. Especially Michelle had come down with me, and I had her run some errands to go get some caulking up at the Ace Hardware, and so there's just all the interactions were good. Just thought I'd let you know. All right, see ya.